Hi there, it's Minnie from Hair Factory Vietnam. So in this video today, we're gonna discuss about the difference between a closure and a frontal and which one you should choose for your clients. And if you're about to start your own hair business and don't know where to go, this video is for you. So let's get started. Okay, so this is a frontal for more straight hair from K hair, and this is what the inside of a frontal looks like. There are three main types of frontal: 30 by 2, 30 by 4, and 30 by 6. And now this is our most popular frontal, which is 30 by 4 frontal, and it means 30 inches from ear to ear, which would be from here to here, and 4 inches of parting space you see is from front to the top of your head, and which would be from here to here. Okay, so the cool thing about frontal is it can last from ear to ear. So this is basically to create the illusion of a scalp. And you know, frontals are really versatile. So you can part the frontal anywhere you want, from middle part to side part. With frontals, you can also pull your hair back into a half ponytail or a full ponytail. So this is a great option for those who like to mix up their styles and change the way they part their hair. And because frontals are more versatile and include more material, they do tend to be pricier than closures. Now, moving on to the closure. A closure is actually quite similar to a frontal, but it has more limitations when it comes to the styling. Instead of having a strip of scalp-like material running from ear to ear like a frontal, a closure is typically a patch placed in the middle front portion of the hair pits. They are available in many different styles, which include 3-part, middle part, and 3-part. 3-part closures allow you to part the hair in 3 different ways, while middle part closure only give you one style option. 3-part, however, let you part the hair however you wish to. Although these pieces don't offer a lot of room for versatility when it comes to styling the hair, closures are great for those who like to stick to the same style every day. And if you know what you want, why you have to change it, right? Closures also tend to run slightly cheaper than frontals. So, which is the best option for you? At the end of the day, deciding between using a frontal or a closure really comes down to personal preference. Both hair pieces offer you a natural looking style that allow you to part the hair in a number of ways. The major difference involves how often you like to switch up the style and what price range you are working with. And if you still want to narrow down your choices, so conduct a survey to find out what your clients like the most, or you can contact me for support and advice. I will also leave my contact over there. Okay, so this is the end of my video today. I hope via this video you can differentiate between a closure and a frontal, and you will also know which one is the most suitable with your clients. And wherever you guys are, I hope you're safe. And don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos like this every week. Thanks for watching my video today. It's Minnie from Hair Factory Vietnam. See you next time. Bye!